Hi everyone, here we've got VERNEE M5 and let me share with you how to enable the talkback mode on this device. So first of all, we have to find and open the settings, so let's do it. And here we have to scroll down to actually very bottom and find the system section where we've got the accessibility, so let's enter. On the very first position we've got the talkback, so let's tap on it and now we can turn it on, but before let me show you how to customize it. So let's tap on the settings right here, and here we've got actually a lot of options which we can customize. So for example, we can decide if you'd like to use the proximity sensor, we can choose the vibration feedback, so we can decide if you'd like to feel it or not. We can set the sound volume, the explore by touch, automatically scroll list, actually a lot of options to customize. Of course, you can tap on the switcher in order to turn on or off the option. This is how it works. What's more, we can set the gestures, so it's a cool option. After tapping on it, we can actually decide what we will do after swiping up, down, left, right, up, then down, left and right. As you can see, a lot of gestures which we can customize. All you have to do is simply tap on it and now choose something from those options. So you can decide that, for example, you'd like to swipe right, and thanks to this you can scroll back, for example. So just have fun with this section and let me leave it like this. Let me leave the defaultly set options, and now let me turn on the talkback. All you have to do is simply tap on the switcher right here. And now your device is telling you that the talkback needs to observe your actions, retrieve window content, turn on explore by touch, turn on enhanced web accessibility, observe text that you type, and control display magnification. So if you allow all of those terms, just tap on OK. And we should hear the feedback from our device. Yes, as you can hear, we've got the tutorial, the talkback, sorry, turned on. Let me. Media volume controls shown. Okay, so now I can show you some basic navigation, because as you can see, your device just opened the tutorial, which will of course help you with learning how to use the talkback. You can go through it and learn, but I will show you the shortcut of it if for example you've accidentally turned on the talkback and you hadn't got a chance to go through the tutorial. So first of all, let me show you how to choose something, and let me show it to you on the back button. Let's tap on it. As you can see here, we've got the green frame around it, and of course we can hear the feedback from our device, and all you have to do to use this button is to double tap on it. As you can see, we just got back to the talkback, so I can do it again. And we are in the accessibility, and after doing it again we are on the settings, and here I can show you actually how to swipe. You have to use 2 fingers to do that, this way, and it's quite easy, or you can do it this way, but in my opinion the very first option is much easier. So actually here we've got the shortcut of it, so now I can show you how to turn off the talkback. So simply go back to the accessibility, tap on it, double tap, tap on the talkback, double tap, and tap on the switcher, double tap, tap on OK, and double tap. And as you can hear, I hope the talkback is off. So actually that's all. This is how to enable the talkback mode in your VERNEE M5. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.